Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the rear brake pads on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First, break loose your lug nuts, jack up your vehicle, and then take your lug nuts and your wheel off. Now we're going to take out this wire here. This is looking way easier than it usually is because a lot of times these are rusted in there and they're really hard to get out. If your brake pad kit does not come with new hardware, then you'll want to make sure you try not to ruin this when you take it out. Now we're going to remove the caps on the back side of these tubes right here and right here. Now you're going to use a T47 bit to get into right back here and take the stud out of here. Same thing with the lower one down here. They usually come out of here fairly easy just by putting the ratchet in here, twisting and pulling at the same time. And now you can just take something, put it in here and pry the caliper off. There we go. Now we can just remove our old brake pads here. Got this brake piston pressing tool here. I'll have this link below where you can get this online. We're going to take the right hand threaded, this piece here, and this piece M right here. Set it up like this, and then you're going to put these pegs here in those holes on the piston right there. So it's going to slide in here. Then you're just going to twist it in like this, and it'll press that piston right in. You want to be careful not to pinch or rip that boot right there. You want to push it in until it's all bottomed out like that. Now you get your new brake pads. I will have these linked down below where you can get these online. Now we're going to take our new brake pads and just set them right in here. Just like that. Then we will take our caliper, set it over top like that. Now get some of this brake and caliper grease, and we are going to coat our slide pins here so that they slide easily. Just hit them like that, and then you can stick them back in. Once you've got it lined up, you can start tightening them back up. Do the same for the other pin. Replace the plugs in the back here. Then you're going to put your hardware back in here. This can be a little tricky to get in sometimes. Usually I find it's easiest to pop these wire pieces in the holes here first, and then just take a pair of needle nose or something and kind of pull them and pry them down around the brackets here. At this point, you're going to do the same thing for the other side. Then, very important is that you go in and before you start driving your vehicle, push down on your pedal until your brake pedal gets hard. The reason is because there's slop right in here and you need to push your piston out to pinch your brake pads tight onto your rotor, and sometimes it takes a couple pumps of the brakes to do that. But that's all there is to changing your brake pads. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.